This is the tutorial to assemble 21 Sonobe. And the Sonobe that we'll be making is actually called a augmented triangular prism. It's actually quite a complicated one. And let's get started. We will be making partial rectangular pyramid. So you see these two like this. We do not want to combine the third one first, but let's just continue on and make a partially built rectangular pyramid. Take four pieces together and assemble it like this. Okay, we shall see why. And once you have this one, we make another three more. This is the second one. Second and third. This is the third one. So how do we put these three together? Actually, the tree will be going in this direction. 1, 2, and 3 at one more side here like this. But let's take two first. And you just want to combine it like this. And to combine like this, we will add another piece at the center. So take one, insert here, complete one of the pyramid like this, and attach it to the next piece here. Like okay. Now if we just rotate, and we will rotate here, right? This is the part here. We just go along this direction and repeat the same thing. Just add one more piece so that we can attach one more piece. Insert here like this here. And connect the next piece into the main part. And if we open up like this, you will see it actually more or less looks like a bit like a cylinder. And this is the final part that we need to combine together here. Insert one more piece to connect them together. Okay, this came out. Never mind. Just combine them. And if we just rotate until here, then this one will go back. Actually, this part came up. So these two came out. Okay. Once we have that, you will see that the top will be open, and we rotate, and the bottom is open as well. Now, if you look at these two, we need to suppose to connect one here. And if we rotate, we will see the similar structure. Just connect one more. And here, one. Means that there will be three pieces at the top, three pieces at the bottom, and we have six pieces left. So let's just continue on. Just look at this structure. Add one more to complete the triangle. And one more here. The next one. And this is the third. And you probably have guessed it. The top here will be to insert into each other. This. And same goes with the bottom here. You can see this structure. Just insert one more. And just insert one in each side. One, two, and three. And for these three at the top, just insert into each other. And we have this. The name is actually quite long. It's called tri-augmented triangular prism. And if you look at this part, the prism actually is inside, is internally structured inside. And for each of the prism, we will augment the surface to have this four-face pyramid like this. The prism actually face in this direction.